So we are here with Ellen, and she is showing us how to make sweet potato fries.
Yes, Trader Joe's sells Murasaki sweet potatoes. They're Japanese.
Low battery.
Oh, that's okay.
Oh.
No problem. So these are the white inside. My favorite are the Japanese. So this is for Don in particular because he really wants to know how to make sweet potato fries. So I kind of weigh them on my little scale. And actually, I'll take them out again and weigh them. Start with 0. I eat like about 20 ounces a night of these, so this is going to be more than that because this is Katie's here with me. 37.21. Whoa! So,
all right.
So now you take a sweet potato, you cut it in half, and then cut it in half again, and then kind of cut it so it's a little bit, like just like that, and then you just go like this, and then put it on your tray. So this is the Breville Smart Air Oven. It makes terrific fries. And you can get, if you go to Bed Bath & Beyond, you can get $80 off, because it's kind of expensive. So this is pretty, the boring part of it, but we'll get through it. So people complain that their sweet potatoes are not, they're soggy, or they get too burnt. But not in the Breville oven. It doesn't really happen. I do 400 degrees and for 30 minutes on this tray. Cut them up like this, and they're perfect. They're just nice, and they're kind of, I like them they're chewy and good. So I wouldn't call them totally like McDonald's fries or something. They're good. So I've been doing this for like, probably a couple of years now. So I've been eating a lot of sweet potatoes. Maybe I sort of look like a sweet potato now, maybe. We had a nice Bikram yoga class tonight, and the lady from San Francisco, Daisy, taught it.
Yeah, I didn't get to say thank you.
Yeah, she's a nice lady. She remembered Katie. Where'd she see you from? Do you remember?
From Joseph's workshop.
Oh, yeah.
Last year.
San Jose or something?
Yeah.
Yeah. So we saw her, and then, of course, the notorious Dale tried to help Katie, and he wasn't even the teacher tonight. Oh, my God. And if she hadn't known about him from me, then she would have probably whacked the guy. He tried to help her in the lying down bow pose. Oh, and I was tempted to say, Dale, stop right now and unhand her. But I didn't say a word. Stop what you're doing now. I wanted to say
it's okay. It all worked out in the end.
And then Dale was trying to help her after class. I don't know what he was saying.
Oh yeah, he was telling me that I should use strap for standing bow.
Use what? A strap?
Strap, which I have done before, but because it's competition week, I need to work on my balance, so I have not been doing it.
Yeah, see, he doesn't know you. He's assuming too much.
It's okay.
Oh, he means well. He's just kind of like an overgrown puppy or something.
He's very excited about it.
Yes, he just loved Katie for some reason. Everybody who sees Katie kind of goes nuts. Like the John, the yoga teacher. Oh, come tomorrow and I'll teach you some stuff. You're like, I gotta fit all these on here. Look at this. It's gonna be a tight squeeze. So when you're making for two, you gotta like jam them in there, get them closer together. They're still gonna turn out good. And those of you that have that other kind of, what is it? The other kind of air fryer. Well, I've had the best luck at 400 degrees for 30 minutes. So if you did it in the oven, you'd use parchment paper or a silpat from France or something like that. And use a cookie sheet. But I think getting the best things that make the best food is a good idea, because in the long run you're better off, like for instance having a Vitamix for, you know, smoothies, because the things just, it blends it up better. My mom's blender from, she has a blender from like 1935 and it still works. Maybe it's 1945. Anyway, I'm almost done cutting these up. What time have we used up, Katie?
6 minutes.
Oh yeah, I gotta hurry up then. I'm using too much time up here. What else have you got to report? Well, Katie tagged along with me to getting my teeth cleaned. And then she tagged along with me to the physical therapy. And then she helped my mother today a little bit. My mother Celia. We were busy. Tomorrow we're not as busy tomorrow. So every sweet potato is different, so you have to just kind of cut them as you go. And my husband cuts them differently. He cuts them into like chunks. That's the other way to do it, where the chunks are good too. I haven't quite, I don't quite get how he does it. It's some kind of secret method or something. So anyway, I think Katie's got the hiccups.
That was another thing during Costa Rica. We were doing Bikram, and it was in the middle of class, and I started hiccuping.
Oh no!
And Joseph was like, "Is that you, Katie?" And I started laughing. And he was like, "I thought it was you."
You got hiccups. Alrighty, we're almost got this thing filled up. We might not be able to fit them all in here because I've tried 2 trays and it doesn't get them as crispy. So forget it. We'll just do 1 tray, jam them in together. So normally for yourself you'd make a lot less than this, but
unless you can eat all these.
Do you think you could eat all that?
I don't
think if you just if you that's all you ate all day, maybe. Ooh, yeah, this is a lot. We're gonna have to shoot. Okay, I'm not gonna do that last one. Okay, we're almost done. Then we're gonna stick them in the oven. I'm running out of room. I'll stick this one right here. Come on. Okay, so now we're gonna go to our oven over here. Stick it kind of in between, right? No, it's like the second one. Shove it in there. Got it plugged in already, and then hit start. And I see wait a minute. I do 425 Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. So I stand corrected. It's not 400. Now we gotta wait 30 minutes. So we'll get back to you later. Thank you.